Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Ratna Wulandari. I am from Semarang State University. In this opportunity that has been given to me, I will present my article with the title is The Effectiveness of Fipronil Active Substance Compared with Imidacloprid to Control Germany Cockroach or Bacteria germanica L. First, I will talk about the introduction. German cockroach, or Bacteria germanica L, is a residential pest that can be a vector of disease and is commonly found in hotels, restaurants, food courts, hospitals, dark, damp, and dirty environments. The threat of pests in a hotel environment can cause economic loss on a large scale. Bacteria germanica cockroach population is very fast. Therefore, the German cockroach is an important insect pest to control. Cockroach control can be done in various ways, such as biological, mechanical, chemical, or sanitary. In general, Indonesian people control German cockroach by using aerosol and mist. This method is considered more practical to do, but it creates a lot of residual that are harmful to human health and environment. One of the South German cockroach control technology is the baiting technology. Some chemical compounds that are often used in the manufacture of bait are fipronil and imidacloprid. So, the study aims to analyze the comparison of the effectiveness of the active substance fipronil and imidacloprid used to control Germany cockroach or Bacteria germanica L. This research is expected to provide information about the most effective active substance used as a poison bait mixture so that it can be used in the development of methods for controlling Germanica cockroach or Bacteria germanica L. Next, we will talk about the methods. First, preparation of test insect. Sampling was carried out before the feeding process took place. The sample taken was a live Germany cockroach in the kitchens of several hotels in Semarang, Central Java. The study was carried out 8 repetitions for each treatment. Second, making toxic bait. Toxic bait was made by mixing 300 grams of phagostimulant in the form of strawberry jam, peanut butter, and bagelan bread that had been crushed. Its phagostimulant was added with 3 ml each of fipronil and 3 ml of imidacloprid, then stir until all components were evenly mixed. After that, the bait is put into a 50 ml syringe to make it easier to apply toxic bait. Third, bait effectiveness test. The provision of baiting is carried out by the feeding methods, which is placed in a test arena. The parameter measure for bait effectiveness was the mortality rate of Germany cockroach, or Bacteria germanica L, that consumed the baiting. For the Germany cockroach, the mortality rate was observed every 6 hours. Next is the measurement of environmental factors. The environmental factors observed in the study were temperature, humidity, and light intensity indoors and outdoors. Last, data analysis. Data analysis was carried out using SPSS software with one-way ANOVA statistical analysis to determine whether the difference in bed treatment with a combination of the active substance fipronil and imidacloprid significantly affected the mortality of Germany cockroach. So the most effective active ingredients to control Germany cockroach was obtained. Furthermore, probit analysis was carried out to determine the relationship between time and mortality insect pests, LT50 and LT90. Okay, next, we will talk about result and discussion. In the table 1 contains the mortality percentage of Germany cockroach after treatment using bait with fipronil active substance combination. Table 1 shows that within 12 hours of observation, the average percentage of Germany cockroach mortality was 13.54%. During 12 hours of observation, the mortality percentage reached 32.08%. At 36 hours of observation, the mortality was 58.54%. Meanwhile, within 48 hours of observation, the average mortality percentage reached 91.45%. In Table 2 contains the mortality percentage of Germany cockroach after treatment using bait with imidacloprid active substance combination. Table 2 showed that during 12 hours of observation, the average percentage of Germany cockroach mortality was 2.91%. During 24 hours, the average mortality percentage reached 8.54%. At 36 hours of observation, 17.70%. Meanwhile, within 48 hours of observation, the average percentage of mortality reached 37.91%. Next, the time needed to kill 50% and 90% of test insects can be seen in Table 3. The lowest LT50 and LT90 were conducted by using a combination of active substance piperenal bait. The lower the LT50 and LT90, the less time it takes to kill the Germany cockroach, so that the effectiveness of the use of active substance piperenal is higher than that of imidacloprid. So the conclusion from this study is the use of baiting combination with the active substance piperonil and imidacloprid is safer and easier to apply. The active substance piperonil is more effective in controlling Germany cockroach or Bratella germanica L compared to imidacloprid. So that's all from me. Thank you for your attention.